BioAspire. Aspire to serve life. Every creation must start by taking the blessings of the ultimate creator. At BioAspire, it has been our daily routine to seek divine blessings before we commence our rigorous and challenging schedule. Established in the year 1989, BioAspire complex sprawls over 2.5 acres with an employee strength of 150 process experts. Meet Mr. Avinash Dhade, the driving force behind BioAspire, a hardcore mechanical expert. He began his career with humble beginnings from a small lathe machine workshop. Today he is successfully running a reputed process solution company. Every project at BioAspire goes through various factors: innovation, quality, reliability, delivery. Our process begins with user requirement specifications. Client's product requirements are assessed by the planning department. The planning department, after discussing and deliberating the needs, passes on the task to design team, which develops 3D models to execute needs. Computerized 3D models are generated and forwarded to the fabrication department, which determines the material to be used. The selected material goes through cutting. Stainless steel sheets are cut with the help of plasma cutting machines. Rolling. Then the cut sheets are rolled in the rolling machines. Precision welding. The rolled sheets are welded with precision welding machines. Grinding. During the process of grinding, all the rough edges are smoothed. Buffing. Buffing imparts the necessary sheen to the equipment being fabricated. Assembly. With this process, all the parts are assembled and the product gets ready. Tasting. This is where the product undergoes tasting and is tried for its rigorous performance. Inspection. The final product is inspected for its quality by Mr. Avinash Dhade and Mangesh Patkar. Every BioAspire product must carry the distinct hallmark of state-of-the-art precision and top-notch quality. The finished product is meticulously packed and transported to the client factory location.
We are adding more and more automation in the manufacturing process so that we can deliver high quality equipments in the shortest possible time. Moreover, we are pursuing various global approvals to target internationally developed markets.
At BioAspire, we are constantly working to provide smart, affordable solutions to healthcare companies. Our objective is to offer high-quality equipment to make high-quality medicines. To do so, we have set up high-precision machine to ensure high-quality control components manufactured in-house. This is backed by well-trained machine operators and in-process quality checks by our QA and QC team. In the real sense, we aspire to serve life.
Now you know the BioAspire journey. Let's salute to the food soldiers who are running the show. BioAspire. Aspire to serve life.